Showing how to adjust the RPMs on this engine. There's a tab in there which is got the spring on it for the governor. These two are 10mm. The little small one on the side is 8mm. And you don't even need to really take it off, you just need to be able to get some pliers on this spring. Right, so now you've got access to this little tab here. If you bend this tab towards you, it increases the RPM. If you bend it away from you, it decreases them. Puts more tension on the spring when you pull it towards you. So what you need to do is get some pliers and then just give this tab a little tweak, and it's good to do it actually when the engine's on. So there we go, you just bend that tab forward a bit, increase the RPMs. If you haven't got a tack, go careful. Ideally find someone with a tack to just double check it. I set mine around 3200. It's you don't lose too much torque, and it's getting the blade spinning quick enough. But yeah, you don't want it screaming. So yeah.